Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Today I am in the charming, beautiful and artistic location of Altea, overlooking Marina Greenwich Port. I'll be showing you an interesting little thing today with our video. It will be showing a house that's been recently bought by a client of SpainHomes and have decided to take the leap and allow us to also do the reform. This house is beautiful on the first line of Altea Bay. It's on a plot of 4,700 square meters and the house itself is 500 square meters. It offers 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. So without further ado, let's have a little tour and a cheeky chat. So here I am on this beautiful street in the area of Altea, and this is in the province of Alicante on the Costa Blanca. This is a beautiful residential area known as La Galera, and I'm going to be showing you inside this gorgeous property. So to come through the main entrance, and I'm coming down into a very open and spacious entryway with this lush vegetation that I'm just looking at to my right. And I can hear the wild animals in the distance as well. This is a very interesting space that would be your covered parking space. It has your electric gates on this side that would open up and allow you entry, and the cover also keeps it shaded. So the property was built in 1987, and as we come in, you will find that it is spacious and interesting in colour and shape. Wow! Oh my goodness! Look at that view! That is absolutely incredible. That is incredible. So this is the main living space of the house, just picking my jaw up off the floor, basically, with the view. And as you can see, it is already quite light and bright, and it has the marble tile walking all the way through. But this is going to be a space that will be reformed. So this would be the open living area that leads to your dining area, all the while just in awe of the spellbinding views that I'm getting in every room so far. Impressive. I love the way that everything is open, but the zones are already formed. So you can keep it like this way if you want to, but obviously opening it out would be even nicer. And look, I'm making my food and I'm washing my dishes all the while, and I can also see that gorgeous expanse of the Mediterranean Sea. So I'm coming into the kitchen area, and as it is at the moment, you have storage cabinets on both sides. Your cooking appliances are on this side and your sink with your view on that side. And it also then continues. So this even, I can imagine, as an expanse that could be an extension of your kitchen. So we're coming now into the living areas again. And I'm just going to check out this terrace over here. So you've got these doors that open up, and give you the most, gorgeous feel. Oh my goodness, I can so imagine how this would feel just being this close. I can smell the sea. I can't just see the sea, I can smell the sea. You can see the bay there, this private beach that's got almost no one on it. that I'm sure you could enjoy in the mornings. And this would be your terrace, your outdoors living space. Really spacious, gorgeous views. You can see down into your gardens also, which I do love. Yeah, totally see the potential here. And so taking you through even more now that I've composed myself. Oh, I'm going to go down some stairs now. Ooh, now I wouldn't change these stairs. I do like these stairs. This black and white. It's just nice. And I'm now coming into another living space. Ooh, this is lovely. The views continue. So this is the lower floor. I was on the ground floor before. This is the lower floor. And I still get to see how gorgeous where we are is. And then it takes you from the living space into a bathroom. And this has a his and hers feel. And then a very spacious pentagonal shaped bedroom that has a curve on one side. You do feel like as well you've got the space because you've got the high ceilings too, but those views are just unrivaled. It's really been thought out in terms of maximising your exposure to your surroundings, which I love. I'm going around these interesting halls, and now this, ooh, this feels really intimate. This is another bedroom. And it's got like a corner bath here, which would be like an ensuite area. But what's here? What's through this door? Ooh, separate toilets. Kind of giving me Art Deco vibes a little bit with the interior as it is. And it even has, again, access to your balcony space that continues across this side of your home. Again, just being able just to be at one with nature and the surroundings. I love that so much. So this is really nice. Such a peaceful spot too. Really peaceful. I'm going to go back inside and explore now. Shall we go? So I can see already where things would go potentially. Let's go down the hall some more and see what there is to find. Ooh, this bedroom is giving me again a different vibe. This is interesting with the layout already as it stands. You have the curved walls again, which I love, and then the doors that open out to the terrace. And then you have this really good spacious bathroom as well, giving you a his and her synchronity space, as well as space for a good shower and or bath. Now, this feels like I'm going into the master suite. Look at this expanse of wardrobe space that I'm giving. I'm just past a large bathroom, but I'm taking you into this space and it's just, oh, it's lovely. It's a really good sized, spacious room, and I can really see, even closer still, the views of the port of Altea, the beaches nearby, and the boats bobbing on the sea. Now from here, there is also this doorway that leads to an ensuite bathroom. And don't be deceived, this bathroom, whilst it's dark, is rather spacious. You've got a separate area there for a shower, as well as a bath, and a his and hers. Love that. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I can totally see the infinite possibilities with this space. And so now, where else shall I go? Oh, what's through this door? Is this giving me access to my garden? Ooh. All right, so this is like a separate driving area. So there's your doors, again, your electric gates that bring you in through the most romantic roofed space, decorated and adorned with local flowers. Oh, don't you just love that touch? And you're driving down here, la 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 la, And then you also there have access to your garage, which is great. But you also then can access your home and come into your garden. So this is all very much a surprise for me. I love the natural stone walls that we have. Bringing it back to the earth tones, I love that. And you can see that it's quite a mature and well-established garden. Again, you have another space to enjoy with your family here. The outdoor shower area, lounging area, sunbathing area, and a shell-shaped pool. All just the while overlooking this. I'm walking around the pool. And this here is a space that you could have as an outdoor barbecue kitchen. Look at the natural walls in here. Fantastic. Love that. The geckos would be there happily as well. And then it goes all the way round. And again, as I said, you can totally see how these gardens continue. So they go down some more. You can have fruit tree gardens, more relaxation zones, even a children's play area. But again, it's all overlooking this gorgeous expanse of the sea. And there are pathways and steps that go all the way down, which is just fantastic. And it just gives you as well like an indication as to the size and the feel of the house. You get to see already the way that it looks at the front with all of those beautiful curves in the architectural design, but then you've also got those lovely angles as well that the house gives you naturally, what with it being up in the hills. Love this. So I don't want to get lost, but where do I go now? What's in here? What's in here? Have I gone this way before? Ooh, okay, so this is the garage space. Okay. So as you can see here, this is a spacious garage. You could adapt it to any type of living space if you wanted to, but it is also great for two vehicles. Curve there. Oh, I love that. And then look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so am I going down again? Am I going down again? I'm getting lost. So going down another floor. Ooh, and you have here a hallway area. Okay, so I'm going to go down again, and then this takes me into what looks like another space designated for a bedroom suite. So you have your wardrobes here and your bathroom, and then it leads into another spacious bedroom. It looks like it was potentially used as an office once upon a time. And it has got these blinds that does obscure ever so slightly the view, but you again have the view right there if you want it. And I can so imagine as well that if it was me, I would create a little ledge to sit on just there outside my office. That's just me. Gorgeous. So again, I love the stairs, you know, the black, finding it my thing, but this is ooh, this is interesting. So I'm coming through now into almost like a self-contained apartment space. You've got a door here that would lead to the outdoors and also would provide you entry from the grounds. You've got this beautifully round nautical window that I love. So natural light still comes into the space quite comfortably. You've also got a central island space and an equipped kitchen that could potentially do the same again. And then a living space, a bedroom nook, and at the very end, you even have your own cheeky bathroom. So that's great. This would be fantastic if you had extended family. Okay, what's in here? And then in here, this would be your storage technical room. Now the ceiling height is a bit low, but as you can see, there's still plenty of space. It houses the boilers, the cables, the pipes, all of the things that make the house function well. So additional information about this home. The house is actually on a plot of 4,700 square metres and the house itself is 500 square metres. As you could see, it offers 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and it needed a reform. The clients that actually bought this property, what they were looking for was quite unique and they had looked, but they hadn't quite found something that SpainHomes were able to bring forward to them. Now, in Altea Hills, as we all know, the price point can be extraordinarily high. And to get a house that's on the first line, brand spanking new, with all the nuts and bolts attached, would quite easily set you back at least 10 million. But because they were open-minded and they trusted our guidance, we gave them the best options. This was the second and also the last property that they viewed. And they had a good old explore when they had a look around, not just the interior, but the outdoors and also the beach and the shores beyond. And so what was really lovely about this property was they saw the potential. Being on the first line, overlooking the sea and being this close to it isn't something that you can get very easily in many countries. But in Spain, if you're prepared to have that compromise and that long little conversation with yourself, it is possible for half of that cost. They bought the property for 3.5 million euros and they are prepared to spend 1 million on the reform, bringing them in line with their dream property and their dream layout. As you can see, the house speaks volumes already, but what they will do with this renovation that SpainHomes will do for them is make the home exactly as they want it, not just on the inside, but also on the outside. And so it's very important for you to realise that we're not going to always give you what you consider to be the best option or the newest property in the most sparkling of areas. But if you actually trust the process and actually go with professional guidance with people that actually know the areas, the houses and the market, you could come out with an excellent investment like this couple did. This, in years to come, will not only give them a fantastic return if they want to sell it, but as you saw also from the basement, they also have the option to even rent it. And let's face it, being this close to the sea and your own personal access to the beach right there is something that many, many people look for, let's say, a long time. So, I hope you really enjoyed this video. We gave you a little bit of a different flavour today. Any questions or feedback, please leave it in the comments. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Nikima and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!